Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see about CRM Dashboard. You can see here our module, this CRM Dashboard. Here my module is already installed. So first go to CRM and see here this menu for Dashboard. See here user image with username and display here this message good afternoon. It's default changeable. Morning time and display good morning. After 12 pm display good afternoon and after 6 pm display good evening. So it's default changeable based on duration. Now this display here total counting number with total leads, total pipeline, total won customer, total available in this system new customers and total available activities. So see here the Stego added customer is phone. Next is the chart, top phone customer chart. Display with customer name and total expected revenue. Display here this download specific chart. So click on and see here. Next is the team wise lead chart. Here available total 2 teams sales and pre-sales. So pre-sales for available and sales for available total amount. So see here. Next is the expected revenue chart. Display with customer name and total expected revenue. Here display number of record. If you want to see total 6, that which customers in top 6. So easily select and display here total 6 customer. Next is a lost lead chart, that which customers lead in lost. Display with customer name. Next is the lead priority charts. For which lead in give which priority. High, very high, low, medium, whatever. So low for not available. In same here pipeline for. Next is a table. First is the activities table. Means all created activities is displayed here. If you want to see specifics, so easily click on view button. So see here office design and architecture for created call. Next is the upcoming activity. Third is the total leads display and last is the total pipeline. Above display print button, if you want to print it this dashboard, so easily click on print. Easily see here your printed dashboard. Here display total 3 filters, user, partner and date. I want to see for Michelle admin. So display here for data and select partner Azure. So Azure for not available. Now deco and last is the date filter. See last 7 days, 28 and etc. Lifetime in display all data. Thank you.